Alright, I just got one more Zippo for the collection. Let's take a fast look at it. Comes in the normal Zippo black box, and as you can see, it says Skull on the label, and this is a genuine Zippo made in the USA. And here is a green skull. And this one is on a matte black finish, but the nice thing about it, it's on a brass body, and this was made in J of 11, and I believe this is a discontinued item. Fires up real nice. That is the green skull on a brass body. Brass lighters always seem to have the best sound. The only thing I would change on a brass bodied lighter is I would include a brass insert. This is a steel insert. So that's a new part of my collection, and it's going to go into my skull section. I'll give you a close look at my skull Zippos. And this green slimy skull is going to go right about there. Yeah, so that's another good addition to my Zippo skulls. Knuckle bump.